Hi, this is Lynn with Queen Bee in Pagosa Springs. I wanted to show you how to make a nice, simple mask at home in case you have any congestion around your chin, mouth, nose area, that kind of thing. It's a combination of our glycolic toner product, which is about 2% glycolic acid, so very gentle, but does a great job of getting in and cleaning out the pores. Glycolic is a beta hydroxy acid instead of an alpha, which means it's a smaller molecule, so it dives deeper into your pores and does all the cleaning for us. We just reformulated it, and now the color comes from a flower called the sweet pea bush, or its technical name is clitoria. Anyway, it used to be blue and now it's pink, and it looks like water in terms of its texture, and all you do is you mix about 50-50 of that with a powder that we call clarifying mask, which is China clay, not from China, but that's the name of it. It's just a really good refining mask. And then I don't know if you can see it or not, but you basically just mix it together with your finger and directly apply it in a thin layer to whatever area has congestion in your skin. So if you wanted to, directly apply it anywhere to your face that you may have congestion, or your chest, it makes a really nice mask for your chest also. And leave it on until it dries. It'll feel very drying while it's processing, and then you're going to want to take it off with an oil cleanser. That will just help lift the clay more quickly and give you a really hydrated, smooth result when you're finished. So I hope you enjoyed that little quick talk. Again, the proportions are half and half, and if you like to make scrubs and that kind of thing for your face, the other things that are safe would be cornmeal, or rice bran makes a nice physical exfoliant for your face also. Thank you.